Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about whether experienced investors can benefit from the Vanguard Cash Plus account. While experienced investors typically focus on maximizing long-term returns through equities, real estate, or complex portfolios, cash management remains a critical component of any advanced financial strategy. Veteran investors often maintain significant liquidity reserves for tactical asset allocation, emergency funds, or impending market opportunities. The Vanguard Cash Plus account functions as an optimized savings alternative utilizing FDIC-insured bank sweep programs alongside options to access low-risk money market funds. For sophisticated portfolios, holding dry powder in a vehicle that offers a competitive annual percentage yield without account service fees helps mitigate the drag of inflation on uninvested capital. Furthermore, keeping short-term liquidity consolidated within the same ecosystem as long-term brokerage holdings streamlines portfolio oversight and simplifies capital transfer speeds when executing sudden trades. Although it does not replace high-yielding equity instruments or sophisticated fixed-income ladders, it serves as an efficient tool for optimizing cash drag within a comprehensive wealth management framework. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.